Hello guys, the first video on my channel is going to be a chili channel.
And here we got a habanero, and I need to eat a Fresno, I think.
Yes. It's not funny.
So, well, we'll just start. You ready?
Yeah. Skål.
Skål. Like we say in Danish. Not yet. We have milk.
Milk.
You need to keep that for later. And
Budding.
budding in
Budding.
Danish. I don't know what it's called in English.
No. Just
Never
budding.
mind. Budding.
It's good. Try.
So,
No.
you ready?
3,
Got the hurtig bells.
2, 1.
Healthy. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Tryk godt, Grunde. Ja. Okay.
Nej.
Okay.
Pussy.
Who can last without milk?
It's so fucking hot. You don't know how hot it is.
Er du sikker på det? Fuck det.
I'm not gonna live anymore. So fucking hot.
Fuck.
So hot. My mouth. My mouth is on fire. I'm not gonna drink. I'm a man. Stay strong. Need paper for my nose. Paper. It's hot.
I'm crazy.
Huh? I'm crazy. It's hot.
On my lips. They're burning.
Look at my eyes. I'm almost crying. So hot it is. Fuck those. I'm strong.
Ej, det er sindssygt.
So hot. Almost can't talk. Just look. He spit all his out. Just spit it out. Not a man.
Oh, fuck.
He's a he's a pussy. I'm a man. Hey guys. This is a warning. Don't do this at home. Fucking hot. Like the video. Subscribe if you want more chili challenge.
And if you are new,
Yeah.
be sure to like this video and
Yeah. Like the video, subscribe, and comment more challenges down in the comments, and we will do it.
motherfucker.
We want, or we will do more chili challenge. And I have something in my mind in the future. I won't say anything about it now, but I will do it when the summertime is over. When I start to school again. The video will come like in a month or something. 5 weeks, 5-6 weeks. There will come a video. So until then, you just have to wait and see what kind of video it is. But it's going to be big, I can tell. So stay tuned, and we will see you in the future.
Yeah, cheers.
Well, there's just one thing to say. Bye bye guys.